Hi everyone, welcome to Momuscraft. Today we'll learn how to create a Foxy Mask. In the Freddy Mask video you asked me for this design, so here it is. To create it we are going to download and print the templates on paper or cardboard. This time we will use orange, pink, black, and white cardboard. As always, you have the template link in the description and in the comments. There you can download the template and also choose the mask size and know how to cut the pieces and fold them. Here we have our pieces ready to start. The pieces on the first template page are black, except the pieces with letters that are the teeth and are white. Pieces 7 and 14 you can leave them in black. In my case I prefer to use silver color as in Freddy's mask. The pieces on the second page are pink and all the other parts are orange. We will start by shaping piece number 1, which will be the 3 little hairs that Foxy has on her head. We will put glue and create them. We will continue with the pieces with the numbers 2, 3, and 4 that will form the right side of the mask. We will join piece 1 with piece 2 and shape piece 3. We will join it with piece 2 and then add piece 4 with these 3 parts. Now we will create the right ear. We will put glue on the piece 6 flaps and shape the ear. Once ready, we add piece 5 in the center, and to join it in the mask we will put piece 7. We're just going to join these 2 parts together and add them to the left side of the mask. The following will be pieces 10 and 11 that we will join and add to the design. With them, we will begin to notice Foxy's face. With these 3 pieces, we will create the left ear. We will create it practically in the same way as the previous one. We will join piece 13 with piece 12 and then add piece 14 to join it to the mask. Now with pieces 15 and 16, we will finish creating the left side. Like the video to create more character masks. The next thing will be to join these 3 small pieces that will help us to finish the eye patch. We will join them and add them in the center of the mask. Now we start with Foxy's muzzle. We will join pieces 20, 21, and 22 to form a single one and then add it to our mask. We will create the nose by joining parts 23 and 24. Leave me in the comments what other mask you would like to see on the channel. With these 2 pieces, we will finish creating Foxy's muzzle. We will assemble and join them. Pieces A and B are the fangs, so we'll glue piece A on the left and piece B on the right. We will continue with the jaw. We are very close to finishing the mask. We will glue pieces 27 and 28 to form it. In this part, we will glue the other Foxy teeth. Now we will glue the teeth in alphabetical order from right to left. We already glued pieces A and B, so we will start with C, then D, then E, and so on. We will just put glue on the flaps and paste the teeth one by one. Since we have the jaw with the teeth, we will glue both ends to completely join it to the mask. These 2 pieces don't have numbers, but they are Foxy's eyebrows. We will glue one on each side. This part is optional, but I recommend you do it. We will use 2 squares of black semi-transparent fabric. We will put glue around both eyes and add them. To use the mask, we are going to need 2 30cm strips. We will make a hole on both sides of the mask in this part and pass a strip on each side. We will also tie a knot on both. The final detail is the freckles. We'll use a marker and draw 2 circles like this and the third just below them. We'll draw 3 on both sides. And now we have our Foxy Mask ready. Remember that you can download any template from the channel without ads and support this content by joining Premium Momuscraft. Thank you very much for watching.